start by talking a little bit about the customers. So let's begin with YOLO. You heard about YOLO earlier. I think the cool part about YOLO is you heard it's a fully digital company started in 2017. And what they are doing is they are not only offering insurance on demand, right? Whether you talk about pet insurance, travel insurance, car insurance, but they are also white labeling their platform so that other banks and insurance companies can use them. And you heard Gianluca talk about it. The benefit that they're seeing from using SAS is all about how they can do real-time, more specialized, customized insurance policy for the customers who are demanding those through their app. The second customer, again, an insurance customer, Admiral, they are based out of UK, provides a really other contrasting example. They have been a SAS customer for 25 years. So one is a startup just using SAS, and the other one is been our customer for 25 years. They have been using SAS across reporting as well as for predictive analytics, especially in the fraud area. And they're using a gamut of AI techniques, for example, machine learning, text mining, anomaly detection. They're also using social network analysis to discover fraud in various networks. So they have been using SAS across claims fraud, application fraud, as well as for investigation. So they can not only detect fraud, but also prevent fraud. And as we have mentioned in the press release, they have saved about £31 million just over the last 12 months using SAS technologies. So that's a pretty good examples of how SAS is helping customers not only save money, but also provide the right amount of premiums for the people who have been good citizens. The second part of this press release, which is really exciting and near and dear to my heart, are some of the new capabilities that we are introducing in November, part of our SAS 3.5 release. And what we have done is we have really focused big time on what we refer to as intelligent automation. And the capabilities that we are introducing over there are, when you begin to prepare data, and as you all hear about the challenges when it comes to preparing data, we are now actually using a lot of machine learning behind the scenes to provide guidance on what are the automated transformations you can use to prepare data more easily, more efficiently. The second part of this is once you have transformed your data, how can you begin to use a lot of automated machine learning to build models? And what we have done is we have completely automated the machine learning model building process and do that with a single click. Anytime we talk about machine learning, people love to talk about neural networks. People love to talk about gradient boosting. These are some of the modern machine learning techniques. But the key part that I'm trying to drive here is a lot of these new methods tend to be black boxes. They tend to be non-linear methods. So understanding the results is very difficult. So part of the challenge in making AI real, and you heard all about making AI real earlier today as well, is can I explain the results of what the model is outputting? And that's where interpretability becomes a big thing. And not only being able to show that interpretability in forms of charts and graphs, but also being able to explain it in natural language. So that people who are not necessarily data scientists can begin to understand the results of the model, as well as then begin to make decisions on that. So really, I think the gain from that perspective is adoption of AI so that you can use that in decisioning. So if I were to pull this all together, I would really like you to take away 3 important points. One, SAS is continuing to automate what we refer to as the analytics lifecycle. You heard me talk about 2 of those examples, and really the benefit of automation is not only productivity, but then you can begin to build more models, and you can get more decisions which are optimal decisions for your business. And if you want to go back to the examples of Admiral, you can begin to save a lot of money and generate new revenue. The second is how SAS is making AI real. So I think we have very strong AI capabilities, and that's also what is leading to our #1 position that you saw across analytics and AI. And finally, our goal continues to be to make AI real, and you saw examples of the capabilities that we are introducing to make it more and more real. Thank you.